Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new product and a way to install the tempered glass screen protector, and it's honestly one of the easiest systems I've used in a long time. This is the Casper Snap tempered glass kit from MobileCentrics, and I'll be installing it today on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you've ever struggled with bubbles, crooked alignment, or dust getting trapped under the screen protector, this kit is designed to eliminate all of that. So what makes this different from normal screen protectors? The Casper Snap system uses custom alignment molds that fit directly over the phone, instead of trying to line up the glass by hand and hoping for the best. The mold does all the work for you. It also has a built-in pull tab that applies the glass in a smooth motion, so that you don't have to worry about manually centering to press down on the glass. And on top of that, this particular tempered glass includes anti-reflective technology, which helps reduce glare and fingerprints, making the displays clearer and easier to see in bright light. Let's take a look at the inside of the box. The Casper Snap kit includes the tempered glass screen protector itself with the alignment mold. Inside we have a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and some dust remover stickers. Everything you need is right here. You don't need any extra tools, and you don't need any experience. The system is designed so pretty much anyone can get a perfect installation their first try. Alright, first step is always preparation. You want to make sure the display is relatively clean, and I have powered off the device. This will help me be able to see if there's any dust before installation, because when the screen's on I can't do that. Now we're going to take the wet wipe and we're going to go over the whole phone and really thoroughly get all of the smudges, fingerprints, dust off. And then we're going to come in with the microfiber cloth and we'll give it another pass. And you'll also want to do this on a nice clean surface. Finally, I'm going to take the dust remover stickers. If I see any signs of dust anywhere, I'm going to stick it down and we're going to get the dust out of there, because dust will float down unless you're in a clean room. Once the screen looks perfectly clean and clear, we're ready for the installation. We'll make sure that we find the top and align it with the top of the phone, and we'll place the mold directly over the phone. As you can see, it fits nice and snug over the edges perfectly. There's no wiggle at all, making it so that there's no guesswork with the alignment. Next, we'll simply pull on the tab. I'm going to press down once in the center here, and you can see kind of the bubble spread under this layer, and we'll pull that off. And if you're left with any little amount of bubbles around the edges, all you have to do is gently push down and you will be bubble free. And as you can see, we have perfect alignment everywhere. We didn't have to make any adjustments manually. And just like that, the installation is complete. No bubbles, no dust, no crooked glass. The screen protector is perfectly centered around the notch and the bezels, and it honestly looks like it came from the factory that way. The anti-reflective coating also makes a noticeable difference, and the tempered glass is extremely smooth, and you can see that it's not leaving any fingerprints at all. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Casper Snap from MobileCentrics. If you've ever avoided installing your own screen protector because it felt too stressful or too easy to mess up, this completely changes that experience. The alignment mold with that pull tab technology makes it impossible to get it wrong, even if you've never done it before. For a premium device like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, having a solid tempered glass screen protector with anti-reflective technology is definitely worth it. You can obviously find all of this at mobilecentrics.com. And if you're a storefront, it's got the little hanging tab, so this is display ready. So either you can install it for them, or they can install it themselves. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If there's something you'd like to see in a future video, let me know as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.